Okay, everybody, we're going to take a look at some division involving dividends, which are either 3 digits long or 4 digits long. I'm going to run you through a couple of examples. We'll start with this one on the left, 191. How many groups of 4 can I get out of 191? And here are my steps: divide, multiply, subtract, drop, and you keep cycling through there until you've hit the end of the question. All right, so let's begin. Can I get a group of 4 out of 1? No. So I will try for the first 2 digits. 4 into 19. How many groups of 4 in 19? Well, there are 4 of them. 4 times 4 is 16. And I will subtract and bring 9 minus 6 is 3. And then I'll bring down this 1. Okay, now I'm wondering how many groups of 4 are in 31. Well, there are 7. 7 times 4 is 28. And I subtract. And 11 take away 8 is 3, and 2 minus 2 is nothing. Okay, well, this has been a short question. This 3 here is now my remainder. There's nothing more to bring down. And I'll just use some space down here to check that that's right. So 47 times 4, and whatever that equals, I'll add 3 to it, and hopefully I'll get 191. So 4 sevens are 28. And 4 times 4 is 16, plus 2, 18. 188 plus 3 is 191. Yay. Okay. Time for our second example. And this one with 4 digits in the divisor, dividend. So here we go. Can I get a group of 6 out of 7? Yes, I can. I can get 1. 1 times 6 is 6. And 7 minus 6 leaves me with 1. And the 3 gets dropped. Now I'll divide into 13. How many groups of 6 in 13? You think 2? You're right. 2 times 6 is 12. And subtract 13 from 12. I'm left with 1 again. This time I'll bring down the 8. There's an interesting thing that's going to happen in this question, by the way. You'll see it in a second. How many groups of 6 can I get out of 18? Well, 6 times 3 is exactly 18. So 3 times 6 is 18. Subtract 18 from 18 leaves you with nothing. And bring down this 5. Now that 5 almost looks like it might be the remainder in the question, but not so quick. We actually have to divide 6 into 5. How many groups of 6 can I get out of 5? None. We have to reflect that in our quotient up here. 0 times 6 is 0. 5 minus nothing is 5. This is the remainder, the 5. And now I will check and see if I've got things the way I want them. So 1,230 times 6. 6 times 0 is 0. 6 times 3, 18. 6 times 2 is 12, plus 1 is 13. 6 times 1 is 6, plus 1 is 7. Plus the 5, which was my remainder, we get a final answer here of 7,385, and there it is, the original dividend. That's a good thing. Okay, so just watch this video, guys, if you get stuck on a question, and enjoy.